Good morning, everybody. Welcome to another Daily Market Report brought to you by Mike Bjork. Today is Tuesday, and it's January 15th. Hope you guys having a good morning thus far. We do got a couple items on the economic calendar. We'll start off the Producer Price Index for the month of December. This is the wholesale inflation number, so inflation on the wholesale side. It's something we look at, but not extremely important, primarily because even though sometimes the costs rise on the wholesale side, it doesn't always get passed over to the consumer, and that's really what the Fed looks at, and that comes in the form of the CPI or the PCE report. However, we do got the in November it went up 0.1%, but however, the forecast for December was going to go down 0.1%, and it came down 0.2%. Now, if you take out the food and energy, we get what they call the core PPI. And in November, it went up 0.3%. Forecast was calling for a 0.2% increase in December, but actually went down 0.1%. So good news overall for the wholesale side of inflation. However, we do got the Empire State Index. This is a manufacturing index in the New York region. And as you can see here for the month of January and December, we had a decent number at 11.5, but it dropped down to down to 3.9 in January. So obviously not good news there. That's a pretty big decline right there. So obviously it's something we will keep our eyes open to see if manufacturing continues to decline this month. Let's move ahead here. Headline news. Stock market's up a little bit today, especially on the heels of Chase coming out with missing numbers like Citigroup did yesterday. A lot of it has to do with the other side of banking, which is very similar, more on I believe, their stock portfolio side of things. Is what's kind of dragging their numbers down. But what's kind of helping the markets today is that China basically released a package that they're going to do to try to stimulate their economy as things have been kind of coming in and it's been declining a bit. So first of all, the People's Bank basically said they're going to improve credit availability to small businesses. The government came in, the ministry came in, and basically finance ministry came in and said they're going to cut some taxes and also increase their infrastructure spending, so create more jobs out there. So those are a couple of things that they're going to do to try to stimulate their economy over there as well. And later today, they're going to be watching the vote for the Brexit. This will be part of the Brexit vote that Theresa May presented to Parliament, and Parliament will vote on it. So far, it doesn't seem to be very favorable. And rumor also has it that there could be another vote in terms of a vote of confidence for Theresa May. So that could be something they'll keep an eye on as well, as they're trying to hopefully get some type of resolution and rather than a hard Brexit to pull for a divorce from the EU. Hopefully it'll be a soft one and have some agreements in place, but so far, nothing's coming to fruition that they can agree upon. So let's take a look here and see how the bond market is playing out. So the last 2 days, we could see we started off a little higher right away in the morning, but we pulled back and we've been in this sideways moment, and basically it's unchanged. We haven't had any real change in our pricing. So basically, again, rates are the same as where we left off on Friday as of yet. Same thing here in the Treasury. We're kind of at about 2.71 right now, so we've been kind of the 2.7, 2.71 range, kind of going this sideways moment. As you can see, we started off about the same level. We have a slight increase right now, but I'm rounding in for 2.71. I'm actually rounding up, so it's not exactly at 2.71. So again, we're kind of in a sideways pattern here. They're kind of waiting for some type of, I think, breakout to happen here, and nothing's really kind of come to that yet. All right, so that's pretty much about it for the day. You can follow me on Twitter here, as I do post during the daytime, throughout the day here, any market updates that might kind of affect the market. So if you guys want to get those type of updates, follow me on Twitter at Mike Bjork. You guys have a great rest of your day. Thanks so much for watching. I look forward to see you guys tomorrow. Bye-bye.